inside your heart, is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on my knees. Cause you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever want me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my head.
So y'all, this is the finished look. I got a side part, y'all. It is honestly cute because I don't get side parts. Side part busts down. Tell them stop playing with your girl. It's cute, y'all. I don't care what nobody say. It's cute. On me, it eats. Definitely eats.
High volume.
Got a lot on my mind, I'm thinking I'm needing a break. To clear the cut the day, man. Get a minute, cause it's space, man. You been in my head, playing games, man. Give me way to control it. Got me feeling like I can't breathe, I can't even hang with the homie. No reason not to.
Let me show y'all. So for MAC, I had got this little foundation, which I needed some more foundation, and then I ended up getting this concealer. That's just simple shit. And then I did have everything else. I also need to be going ahead and cleaning my brushes. But I'm going to give y'all a full tutorial on how to do my makeup literally on Saturday. But that's all I really did today for, today's Thursday. All I really did today was get my nails done. They're so cute. But that's what I got today. And then I'm going to start the vlog back up on... I'm gonna start the vlog back up on Saturday morning when I'm getting ready and doing everything, because that's really all I did today.
High volume.
Poppin' shit, you would think I went to school for chiropractic. Looking good as hell today, just sent my nigga five tested. Why'd you come from me about a nigga, man? You bitch fat. They come at me about niggas who I don't even find attractive. I don't know that nigga, I just seen them on the town before. I can't be up in her face, I took her nigga down before. When I lose a nigga, I just pop out and go find some more. Soon as I feel like my time get wasted, then it's time to go. They say they don't fuck with me, but I say they can't fuck with me. Just like the air, I'm everywhere. How you say it's over me? Them bitches should've stayed down. They could've been up with me, but all they doing is talking down, cause they can't get up with me. My ex fucking on my old friend, both they ass some fucking clowns. Thinking that she got one up on me, she got my hammer down. He thought he wasn't gon' have to stand on shit like he was handicapped. Made that nigga stand on it, now his ass can't stand me now. High as fuck, I'm lit, yup. I don't smoke no sweet shots. Slime with my gang and them, looking them like sisters. These bitches be lame, they go outside about these niggas. I don't wanna hang with them, they don't have no business. They be going for anything, but I can't go for none of them. Why would I go chase you if I know you gon' come running back? Cut everybody off, they been feeling like a lumberjack. They really get me fucked up, and now I'm going for none of them. She the type of nigga make her mad, she going Tucson. Me, I'm kinda ratchet still, so I'm the type to be some. I can't love you, baby, like your bitch, so don't leave her. He gon' choose her every time, cause it's cheaper to keep her. Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love the Mars.
Riding with my twin on, and we all look good as fuck. She said she my op, but I don't know her, had to look her up. I know that I'm rich, but I can help it, bitch, I'm good as fuck. I've been on these bitches next so long, sometime I...
So y'all, this is the look. Y'all, I didn't even really just show y'all after my makeup was done, but this is my makeup. I literally did my makeup. I graduate in 3 more hours. I graduate, y'all, soon. I'm gonna get some footage when I'm walking that stage, y'all. All that. But yeah, this is the look. This is what it's giving. So yeah.
Jamil,